Good morning. This is Larry with Warmboard Radiant up northeast of Park City, Utah this morning. We're on a new construction project where they used our Warmboard structural panel. And let's look around. As you can see here, they lowered the deck by about 1.5 inches, and that's going to be for a curbless showers. Very easy to do, and we will lay this out exactly how it's supposed to be installed. Thanks for watching this video. Another successful structural panel install out of Park City, Utah. Have a good day.